Philippines versus Vietnam, and malaking factor na meron tayong Aram kasi siya yung nag-umpisa para sa Gilas on this one. It's like kayang-kaya niya yung mga bigs ng Vietnam from his post moves, perimeter shot, tapos yung kanyang inside presence is ramdam talaga sa start ng laro. Pero yung Gilas is not paying attention sa outside ng Vietnam. Please don't disrespect their players kasi yung iba dyan is mga players na rin sa Amerika and they also improve. As in yung pumatay talaga is yung ating closeouts. Tapos pumapasok din talaga yung mga kahit hindi mo mga maintindihang tira. And yung turnover na to is masakit for Gilas. Then again, yung outside closeout nga natin is poor. Sa creation ng number 8 ng Vietnam is nakikita niya yung mga bomber nila. Kahit yung big man pala ng Vietnam is merong tira sa labas and we didn't even bother to bother. Sana ma-recognize ito ng Gilas in the second period. In the second quarter, ganun pa rin yung nagiging problem ng Gilas. Yung outside shooting ng Vietnam na kahit anong bato is pumapasok. Pero magkakabuhay yung Gilas courtesy of this stop and pop from Matthew Wright with the 3-point shot. For Vietnam, ganun na naman. We cannot stop their outside bomb. Dalawang sunod na naman yung binitawan nila para makalayo sa Gilas. Tapos nagtatantrums na si JP Aram dahil puro nga siya turnover. Though pinalitan naman siya. Then I just wanna commend Jamie Malonzo kasi siya yung may effort to contest the shots of Vietnam. Siya yung nag-close out. Naging factor kung paano na slow down yung scoring ng Vietnam. Then makakabalik ang Gilas courtesy of this Phoenix Bubble connection. Justin Chua swing the ball to Matthew Wright for the 3-point shot. Then naging good thing yung pasok ni Chua. Fakes the 3-point shot, then attacks the basket. Tas nakakuha pa siya ng foul in the next possession para maging 4 points na lang yung lamang ng Vietnam. And take note, wala pa rin siyang PBA team. In the third quarter, Matthew Wright again hitting for Gilas. Ibang klase talaga kapag uminit na parang lahat ng tira sa labas is papasok. And we will see yung pagiging point guard ni Bolick after the stumble. Calm pa rin kahit shot clock is winding down. Dump the ball to Aram for the finger roll. Tapos yung after mintes sa fast break, hindi nagpapanik. Tinira pa nga sa corner and napaganda pa yung sequence na yon. Again, Bolick, nagre-read siya ng floor hindi yung basta-basta lang pumapasok. After masettle ng pwesto, inantay niya muna na mag-spread ng floor sa Ray Parks, then he attacks the basket and dish it off to Aram for an easy 2 points. Again, yung Malonzo is in full display yung kanyang effort sa larong to. Offensive board, 2 points. Here, tinawagan si Matthew Wright ng foul kaya nagkaroon ng 3 free throws yung Vietnam pero ramdam mo yung gigil na babawi siya So pagdating sa next possession, pagtanggap pa lang ng bola sa outside, birada agad, bawing-bawi yung foul na yon. That's my boy guys. Kilig na kilig tayo sa larong to and Panopio gives the lead to Gilas after 3 quarters. In the fourth quarter, syempre, si Mr. Fourth Quarter ang kakana. Bolick with another good possession. Love to Era, mintis lang. Pero siya pa rin yung nakakuha ng bola. Tapos reload sa wing. Binigay ni Parks for the 3-point shot. Tapos another one sa kabilang side. Good ball movement. Berto for 3. After that, nasa Gilas na yung momentum. Tapos another action with Bolick and Aram. This time, nag-pop si Poy. Another 3-point shot for Gilas. And again, Malonzo with the offensive rebound hanggang sa makakalas na yung Gilas. 78-67 and rekta na sa semifinals.